These, where are we?
We're at Glow.
We made it to Glow. Princess. Right there. So Elise,
Yes.
we're heading into a tunnel.
Yes, we are. It's so cool. Woohoo!
Mom, you're getting cold? Huh?
It's just my ears.
Your ears? I'm sorry, what? I couldn't hear you. My ears is falling off. Donuts, Mom. Eating donuts. I think there's monkeys in that. See the monkeys? Is there more in the balloon? Ooh, look at that. Look at this fun. All right, we're halfway through Glow. It's been fun so far. There they are. Let's go get them. Time to get through the star and the big tunnel. Let's go down this tunnel. That's so cool. Whoa, lots of cool things in front of us here. So, how you doing?
Very good. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. Are you enjoying the life?
Yes, are you?
Yeah, Glow is fun.
Beautiful.
Have a good time. All right, it's time to go tunnel. Let's go tunneling. Well, what did you think, Ma? That was your tunnel.
Very cool.
Have you seen my wife? She's disappeared.
Oh, right.
There she is. Yay!
My husband.
Ooh, Chica, get in. I say sit up here because everything's dirty down there.
Yes, I love it.
Alright, so that is our time. We walked around. I got mugged. Where are we? Please, where are we?
We're at Glow, and I got my mug too.
We both got both got mugged at Glow.
Woohoo!
Have a good time. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.